Hello everybody, welcome back to Michigan Product Tester. I haven't made a video in a while, so we're gonna start getting back into these videos again. So let's go and open this up. So this one is a wax warmer. Bought it for my wife. Thing is, I am going to let her wax my legs if I get to 1K likes on my Instagram. So this is made by Wani. It's just a wax warmer, but why not? It's free. Why not test it out? And also, I'm going to add the video of her waxing my legs on this one if we do get to the 1K likes on Instagram. Also, if I reach, let's say, 10K likes on this video, I will make it 5 since I don't have very many followers on this channel yet. If I get to 5K likes on this video, I will order a taser from Wish and let my wife shock it with me and make a video of it. If you want to see that, hit the sub button, like, and also leave a comment if you like these videos that I'm making. So I'm just trying to do something new instead of just doing unboxing videos. I want to do a challenge with the products that I actually test. So I got this one in purple. I believe it comes in like 3 different colors. You can get black, pink, blue, purple. This is just the one they offered me. I think it's pretty simple. I don't really know how these work because I have never waxed any part of me. I'm assuming you put these in there and the top of this, let it heat up, melts. I know I've seen some videos, you use the sticks, rub it on. I'm not sure how to remove them because it doesn't look like they gave us anything to remove them with. So I'm assuming there's supposed to be strips that you have to order. I'll let my wife figure that out later. Let her do all that stuff. So we'll get everything assembled. We'll put all of our wax removers in there. Looks like there's multiple colors. I don't get why there's all different colors. They all look the same packages. Same kind of stuff. So we'll get these warmed up. I'll let my wife, unfortunately, wax my legs. Hopefully. And then let's get this to 5K likes. Sure it's not gonna hurt?
I don't know.
Hot.
Too hot?
No. How's that gonna work? It's not thick enough.
Give me a second. Oh, jeez. You have so much hair on your legs. I don't think I should have done this with so much hair.
Is that why you're supposed to use wax paper?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know how big of a patch you're supposed to do. I've never waxed anything before. I'm always afraid to. I pay people for this.
Go like down farther so you get like a spot where it's not hair.
Yeah, but I don't want a big huge section. It's not gonna work. They don't do like full thing. You can't. I don't know. Look at all this string. They're just attacking me now. It's like cotton candy.
You're gonna rip the hair off my leg just trying to. Ouch!
I know, right? Oh, this is gonna be fun. Okay, I'm gonna wait until it's completely dry though. Until it's like cold. And then I'm gonna rip it off. Does that hurt?
Yeah, it hurts.
I can't get to it though. How am I supposed to get it off? We should have read the directions a little bit better. Because I've never waxed anything before.
This is a bad idea.
This is an awesome idea. I think it's good. You think it's good?
Aren't you supposed to like hold the skin down? Yeah, like that. I see that on a video once.
I don't know. I've never waxed anything before. You ready?
Yep.
1, 2.
Yeah.
Woo! It worked! That is awesome! Oh, look how nice that is! Oh, that's beautiful! Oh, look at that! Oh, it's beautiful! Oh, look how nice and shiny smooth your legs are! Oh, that worked great. Let's do the rest of it.
Go for it. How about we just do one leg? We'll call it good. That hurts.
Oh,
We'll go with one leg.
that is awesome. Look how nice that looks. Makes your legs look so nice. Holy jeez, look at.
Oh my gosh.
That's fun.
That's a lot of hair.
That's fun. Do it again. So gross. That works nice. I like that. Very nice. Okay, so make sure that you have enough on there, and then just peel up an end.
Quick. Put more wax.
Rip it.
Get it done. It hurts.
Can I try?
I got like 6 bags.
Do it with me.
Wax or let you pull it off?
Oh, don't.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm confused on what's happening with this now.
Is it just pulling the hair off my legs?
I don't really know. It looks really gross.
I think you're supposed to smooth it down.
I'm
Just
trying.
Take a goop of it and then go down.
Oh, did I do that wrong?
Yeah, you're not supposed to pat it.
Sorry. Well, you have lots
There you
of
go.
you have lots of hair right here, so I'm just astounded by the fact that I got all that hair off. Now I'm just not
What are you
paying attention
doing?
to what I'm doing. Torturing Daddy. You want to watch? I think that's thick enough. Okay, now I definitely understand why you're not supposed to go up, because now it just gets stuck in your hair. Oh, no.
What are you doing to him?
Torturing him. Okay. You think that's thick enough?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah, definitely. Don't go back up. Not a good idea. So go back up. Definitely not. Yeah, look at wait, Daddy. Not funny?
Can you do it to me?
No.
Why?
Shh. I don't want to get rid of yours. You're little.
Okay, fine. Don't.
Ready?
Sure, not really, but sure.
Not really sure. Well, it shouldn't hurt right there because you got no hair. Hold on, I gotta make sure that it's an equal lift up though. Because I figured as long as you have like a space as big as your
Pull
hand.
down the skin. You're supposed to pull down the skin.
I always forget that part. You're lucky you remember that.
I
'Cause
see.
don't
I
remember.
watched our video do it.
Ready?
Yep.
What?
Go. Hurry up. Hurts.
Oh, I
No.
I got stuck on your knee.
Ow.
Gross. No, it didn't work as good because it's on the bend of your knee.
That's a lot of hair. It hurts.
That's still a lot of hair.
Hey guys, I just seen my wife wax part of my leg. Kind of painful. So if you want to see both legs fully waxed, let's get this video to, let's say, 2,000 likes. All you gotta do is hit that sub button, like the video, comment if you want to see more of me in pain. I didn't show my face in that one. I will in the next one if you get up to 2,000 likes in this video. Also, we're going to do another one here pretty soon. If we get the next video to a certain amount of likes, I will be getting a taser off of Wish, and I'll let my wife shock me with it. Want to watch that? Make sure you sub.